Mr President, next week the United States President Obama will travel to Europe as his first visit overseas to show his commitment towards a transatlantic alliance and dialogue. With his election as President, he brought hope and change, not only in the United States but for the whole world and also in Europe. Mr President, it is imperative that the EU set up networks of communication to keep a strong dialogue with the United States on many key issues like the conflict in the Middle East, the economic crisis and climate change. These issues are global problems and therefore must be discussed with international cooperation with the United States, with the European Union, with European states, with China, with India, with all the states in the world. Thank you, Mr.